This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials: your Jump VPN account, server address, and any 2FA method. Once you have credentials, install the official Jump VPN client and grant it network permissions. This avoids blocking at the OS level. Next, make sure no other VPN or proxy is active so routes won't conflict. After that, open the client and choose the server entry. You'll be ready for the first connection attempt. You now authenticate and configure. Enter your username and password, and if possible, paste your 2FA token to eliminate typing errors. Then select the recommended protocol, WireGuard for speed or OpenVPN for compatibility, and set DNS to the provider's default to prevent leaks. If your use case needs only specific traffic through Jump, enable split tunnel and add subnets. Otherwise, choose Route All. Make sure to save. You finish by initiating the connection and verifying the tunnel is active. Click Connect and wait until the client shows connected, then confirm your assigned IP and routes. Once done, test with a ping or trace route and load an IP check site to ensure traffic uses Jump. If it fails, restart the client, re-enter credentials, and try switching protocol or disabling firewall rules temporarily. One key troubleshooting tip: if DNS or split tunnel acts up, revert to provider DNS and Route All to isolate the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.